I just got to the Laura Rochelle salon. I'm going to be getting a silk press today for the first time in God knows how long. I mentioned on my channel that I was going to be starting my hair journey this year, so here we are. Hey guys, so for this video I'm just gonna let you guys watch her work, but just to start off, just a little background on my hair. So if you guys know me, I always have my hair, or at least almost always have my hair in some type of style, whether it be braids, weave, wigs, sew-ins, whatever the case may be. But recently, just over the past few years, I've really fallen in love with my natural hair and started wearing it out more. But even when I do, I normally just have it in a bun. So at the beginning of this year, one of my New Year's resolutions was just to start taking care of my natural hair and growing it out. That way I just feel more comfortable wearing it, whether it be straight, wearing it curly, but just embracing my natural hair. So I haven't had a perm since I was really young, in like the 3rd grade, but I also haven't had my natural hair treated for a long time. I would say honestly since I was in like middle school, so I really haven't had a trim in years. So that's really why my natural hair hasn't grown a lot. But yeah, so today that all comes to an end. I came to get my natural hair treated, and I'm just starting this journey, so I'm really excited to document this and take you guys along the ride. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you have any questions, just leave them for me in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram. I'll make sure to reply. But yeah guys, just watch her work her magic. I feel like this video is really relaxing, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be in no sense, it's just urgent. Trying to make some simple change, got me a war in my mind. Letting it go away, can't keep what's holding me. Choose west, but it will pick up in front of me. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, got on my course to get a long night. Ooh, better than way to kill the ooh. No, you like that sicky. Ooh, baby, heavy on my empty mindset. I gotta keep some moves in the first of me. Still worried that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be the no sense, it's just urgent.
'cause I know. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Speed post, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my ear, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the G. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Light sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process. Andre had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the Paris, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. Get stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce back in hidden hills, bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chills, all because of how I kept it real. Light sleep, baby, on the G-Way. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for